So I've attended this job today. She's had a national locksmith come out, charged her £250 to snap the lock and then remove the mechanism. He then wanted to charge an extra £650 for the new mechanism and barrel. The lady had then since phoned me. I told her that that's ridiculous. He then turned around and said that, oh, I've sprayed it and now the mechanism works fine. This is what he was going to leave her with. This bit here is why it failed in the first place. Now, that is going to fail at any moment. If I pick that out, that'll end up just popping out and then it'll jam up the mechanism. A little bit different today. I just wanted to speak a bit more. Now, I'm replacing the mechanism, putting a new barrel in, putting the handles in for a hell of a lot less. I give a year's warranty on all parts and materials that I install. There's peace of mind that something's going to go right. Now, even if you don't use me, you use somebody else, make sure you use a local locksmith or a reputable company, not a national company, not someone that states from £59 plus VAT or £49 plus VAT. These people are designed to mug you off. Now, they get, the people who come out get 40% of whatever they charge. This person wanted to charge £650 for this mechanism, which is absolutely ridiculous. So we're going to install the new one, we're going to get it all in, and it's going to be a hell of a lot less than what she was quoted by the other guy. And there's also a guarantee with it as well. And there we go. So mechanism's been replaced, door's been adjusted, new barrel's been put in. And everything works as it should. It's just a shame she had a cowboy locksmith, and locksmiths in air quotations, but the cowboy locksmith come out first and charge her what they charged her. But hopefully it doesn't happen again.